Here we go. One Bender Drive in Newark, Delaware, and really just going to show you just some glimpses of the outside before we get to the boots in the ground tour. So you can see that backyard and that private mini oasis. Spoiler alert, in that tree or to the left that I just had, there is a swing in the corner of the yard. So that is fantastic. Now, really just going to give you a glimpse of the neighborhood, quite a few different styles of houses. So you can see that, and as I fly around, you're going to see there is a park nearby, and there's quite a large amount of trees. I am always taken back in suburbia to know when you fly the drone up, how many trees are nearby. So it may sound a little interesting, but look at that, perfect timing. I mean, it's great to see that, and summer's almost here. So there's that school on the left, and we're going to fly around a little bit more. We'll bring you down, show you the immediate neighborhood, and give you a glimpse of actually flying to the back of the house and then taking you back down and showing you a few more angles. So real quick, while we do that, you do have 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths in this house, a finishable basement, a large kitchen that flows into the dining room, and 4 bedrooms upstairs. So you'll see that when we get to the boots in the ground tour, but here is a fantastic shot flying back from that porch and really just puts the whole house into perspective. And clearly you can see a 2-car garage. So that is always a plus. We're gonna bring you down slowly. You can really see the size of this house and that newer roof. It is situated on the corner. And then we're just gonna fly right into it slowly. And then get you started on that boots in the ground tour. Here we go. All right, welcome to One Bender Drive here in Newark, Delaware. And I know we always have a bit of drone footage before this, but here is the boots on the ground tour of our listing. So let's go around here, kind of get it into perspective. Newer roof, I'll go through all the details. 2-car garage, no pole in there, by the way. And you do have a man door on the side. So corner property. We'll spin you around so you can kind of see all that this entails. And this one is about to officially be listed. So some good news here. A lot of work has been done, and that is all to the new owner's benefit. So beautiful backyard here. And last time I was here, I didn't notice you have a really cool swing there. So this is what I'm going to call the mini backyard oasis with the privacy fence and the pavers. And those doors right there, I'll show you from the inside, will take you right in to the additional family room. So there we go. We got the siding, we got the brick, beautifully landscaped. I really do love this. Sitting on that earlier, trying to get some shots from the corner here. But there you go. So again, the drone footage always adds to this. See the AC unit, it matches what we have down in the basement. And look at this. Really like the front patio turned on the side like that. It just makes a statement. So there we are. So without further ado, let's keep this rolling and get you right inside. So here it is. Look at this. It's a great entranceway to your new home. Shoes off, as all showing should be doing. Still following COVID here. So in we go. Let me spin you around. Coat closet. Basement door, but there's that foyer. So steps upstairs, I'm gonna take you around. In a clockwise fashion, this room blows my mind. I saw it before they redid it, and it is, it's massive. So hardwood floors throughout here. We'll spin you around. Good sized dining room, and you know what? Flows right into the kitchen. So those are very nice cabinets. And again, update to your taste if you so choose, but awesome the way it is. So plenty of seating right there. You can see how big this kitchen is. Actually hard to get it all in one shot for the photography. But here you go. I'll back you up. Take all that in. And then here too, tons and tons of storage right there. So definitely a well laid layout. An awesome layout. Let's go with that for the kitchen, and well designed. Get a tongue twister here on Memorial Day. So there you go. That is that mini backyard oasis. And this is what I was calling the family room with a wood burning fireplace. Look at this. Higher ceilings. And gonna have it in the disclosure, freshly painted almost everywhere. So we got a closet here. This is gonna take you to the front door. So that's where we came in. This is the half bathroom on the first floor. We do have 2.5 baths here. So good size there. And the laundry room. So there is the laundry room. And just a peek at what we got going on here with the garages, because currently a storage area, but still you want to see the whole package. So attic access there for additional storage, no pole in the middle, and a man door right there to go out the side. So there you go. Just wanted to show that to you. We'll close them and continue the tour. Didn't mean to slam the door. So upstairs we go, and this is, you know, again, a lot of work has been done. So the hardwoods continue. We have 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths up here. Also a little attic access there. So we'll pop in the first one. Look at that, really good size. All right, we'll back you up into the second one. And just so you can get a feel for this, I'm gonna go in and spin you around. So newer windows in here, by the way. Actually, Pella's. So vinyl double glass, and if you know anything about windows, Pella is a very reputable brand. So there you go. Mosey on over here. We do have a linen closet, and this is bedroom number 3. I'm gonna walk in, spin you around so you can kind of see the size of this. The windows continue. There is your closet. And then we have the whole bath, which is not brand new, but really nice in there. Deep tub. Again, we're still getting things a little ready for showings here. But big, big bathroom. And then the primary. So closet's all over here. I'll take you in and spin you around. 2 big windows. King size bed, by the way. This is a gigantic bed, and you still have plenty of room. I don't know, 5 feet, I'm guessing, on there. And probably there too. I think it's, you know, symmetrically placed here. So ceiling fan, and this is just about finished. Welcome to your new primary bathroom. So everything in there has been updated for the most part. A lot of renovations there, and that is the whole second floor. So very nice layout. We will show you the basement, because I do think there's a lot of potential there. And quite honestly, a lot of photography leaves out the basement. I don't agree with that. I personally want you to get the full sense of the house before making the adventure to see it in person. So down we go. Plenty of storage here to the left if you so choose to you know, follow suit and do the same thing. Here you go. So a lot of cleanup has happened, but this space is big. So if you want to go through and, you know, actually get a finished basement, do your own due diligence, make sure you have egress and all that, but the space is big. So back in the day, or even technically now, this portion was finished from what I can gather. So you got your heater, your water heater, your gas line, and your main water line coming in the house. So plenty of storage here. This is nice how it's set up too. And one other thing is the electric panel, which is right there. So you can see what it is. Again, we want you to see everything. So let's bring you back upstairs. And as always, at the end of this video too, we are going to add in some additional drone footage of the neighborhood. And don't miss the 3D too. So we did a quick 3D one on this. May come back and do the thorough one. But here you go. I am going to leave you right now with this shot, and we're going to take to the skies.